Maurice Park, and as you can see just through this little alleyway here is actually Maurice Court. So yeah, and these houses here, actually I think that one there on the corner is going to be one of the houses that will be resumed, so one of the properties. So the connector will come all the way through here. Beautiful, beautiful, quiet area. My kids are actually having fun in the park at the moment. Lots of fun. It's only a small park, but they're having fun. Bring your kids down. Check out the area. See how nice and peaceful it is. You can get to sit down on the hill here, have a picnic, watch the horses, watch the birds. Make the most of it while it's here. It won't be here for long if the Coomera Connector goes through.